Credit where that bedside. Fold like magazine. Back up with the bullshit. Knock up with the bullshit. Fold like magazine. Back up with the bullshit. Knock up with the bullshit. Fold like magazine. Back up with the bullshit. Knock up with the bullshit. Fold like magazine. Fold like magazine. Fold.
Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Chronicles.
And we're here with our colors.
As we promised you, we brought the heat. We brought the heat. Even though it's 8 degrees outside, we brought the heat.
Pretty much.
So we're gonna get into these color wigs. As you can see, Shannon, honestly, keep it G, when this video is done, I'm trying this wig on because
she's that serious. She tried it on earlier.
I wanna try blonde.
Wait, you want to trade?
Do I? Let's switch. Let's switch.
We'll be back. No.
I know. No, seriously, like, I really love this color. So we both kind of stepped out of our comfort zone.
Definitely out of my comfort zone. This is a lot lighter than I would normally go. Yes, please.
Be kind and let us know how you feel about it. Seriously.
But be kind.
Be kind.
I'm sensitive.
Be kind. I'm sensitive.
About my...
No, seriously, so I'm not even gonna front. I love this wig. Bible, I just broke my nail.
Damn.
That hurt it.
How? I'm sorry.
Let me get that. Wait. No, but
watch, I'm gonna go in my closet and this is gonna be on.
It will be. So we're gonna be right back and we're gonna give you more details on each wig individually, so stay tuned. So this wig, honestly, as you can see, the color it's not as vibrant as I thought it was gonna be, so that's okay for me because I didn't want anything that was gonna be way too bright. But I love this wig for the simple fact that the texture is very, very soft. So usually other wigs have a little bit more of that natural kinky feel to it, but this one is a little bit more silky. I didn't go in on the baby hairs because I felt like it really didn't need that much, so I just literally put a little bit on the side where like my part is, because that's honestly the where we focusing in right now. But you know, if I wear her out, then I'll definitely go in and I'll put more along the hairline. But because I'm going to be wearing it like this, I just wanted, for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you guys how, you know, the color looks. So right now she is about, like, you see how it gets short in here and then the bottom gets long. I mean, that's cool. I feel like this length is decent for somebody if you don't want an extra long 22-inch wig. You want something that's really manageable. This length is definitely good for you. This is literally about 20 inches. It is not any longer than that. So this wig is in the color 99J, and her name is Diva-H Sista, as you can see right there. And I have her in 99J. The model is wearing like a brown like 30 or 27 it looks. So what drew me to this wig was definitely the layers, because as you guys know in the previous video, I like volume. I think volume gives the wig a look where you don't have to worry about curling it if you want it to be fancy. And it does say that it takes a flat iron heat up to 400 degrees. I do believe that because I have previous wigs where I have used it up to 400 and it does a great job. And I also flattened out this bang part because it was a lot more curly. So it was a lot for me. So I just flattened it out, you know, just to give it just a little volume. So this right now is what it's looking like. This is the color of it. It's a deep burgundy. Honestly, guys, it's really cute. So you can definitely go to Sam's Beauty and purchase this wig. Shout out to Sam's Beauty. They have all the wigs for the low. So we're definitely going to let you know the price and the link and the details in the description bar. So once again, stay tuned for the update. I'm probably going to wear her for about 2 weeks. And if you guys want to see how I styled this video, definitely comment below and let us know. and I will be right back with you guys soon. Bye.
Hi ladies, so we're back again, and this time with some color. Please be with me. So today I'm wearing the Glam-H Boss from the Sister Wig collection, and honestly it's warming up on me. I mean, like I said, I'm not used to color a lot, so it may take some time, but I'm actually kind of starting to dig her. I love the length. We already discussed this. I love long hair. I'm tall, have a tall torso. It's the only thing that really suits me. This color, it looks like it has, honestly, so many colors in it, but it blends so good. I see a little bit of silver up here. I see the ombre style, and honestly the ombre goes throughout the whole wig, and I know some people find it hard to find wigs that do that. Sometimes they'll just do the ombre up at the top, and then that'll be it. The rest of the wig is just one straight color, whereas this one, they ombre it throughout the whole wig, so that if I lift it up, you can actually see underneath that it has the black undertone, which is amazing. I do like that, because like I said, if it looks natural and it looks like I got it done, then it's for me. So I'm gonna show you guys the card that comes with, and this is her, and the part is pre-tweezed. I did nothing to it besides put my concealer, and I pulled the curls out a little bit just to make it a little bit more natural, so they aren't as tight as they were, because when I first got the packaging they were tight, and like I said, I like it natural. I like to make it look like, you know, I did this myself type of thing, even though I didn't. And this is a wig I would recommend going out. I wouldn't say I would wear this every day, because it is a little bit loud. Like I said, it does have a lot of colors in it, and it's something that I personally am not used to, but I can't lie and say that I didn't like this wig. It laid down smooth, and there was no lace. So that's the catch to this wig that I really liked. I didn't have to cut any lace. It literally was just already pre-cut and pre-tweezed. I did nothing to it. I literally put the concealer on and put it on. Now the color that I have is the Sombre RT 2730. A lot, right? I know. But it makes it worth it. I can't lie. I took pictures in it yesterday, and I have to say I really loved all of them. But like I said, going out wise, 100% rock this style. Try a different color. They actually have the same color that Ness has on in this style. So if you like that color and you like this style, mix and match. Do what you gotta do. This looks really natural. So go ahead, go out, purchase this. And oh, big shout out. Big shout out to Sam's Beauty, because I've learned my lesson. I will no longer be going down the street if they have it online, because it is so much cheaper on Sam's Beauty. I don't think you understand. But big shout out to them. Thank you for this wig. Well, me purchasing this wig. I bought it, so. But thank you again, and we'll be right back.
Since it's the beginning of the year, we wanted to do something special for you guys.
And we're gonna kick it off with the
giveaway. So the rules are,
first, you're gonna subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Then you're gonna like this video.
And you're gonna comment your Instagram name.
And you're gonna follow our Instagram page. And from there, we're gonna generate the names, and we will be picking the lucky winner to give away either this unit here
or this one right here.
So we'll see who's gonna be the lucky winner.
Also, don't forget to comment the color you'd like as well, just in case you're not comfortable
with color. We can definitely do the 1B for you. We'll keep you in the safe zone.
Yeah, my zone.
But we definitely want to do something special for you guys. So once again, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to our channel,
and you follow us on Instagram,
and comment your Instagram name below.
Yes, that's how we will know how to reference it between YouTube and Instagram. So
if you don't comment your name below, you're not gonna win. You gotta comment your name below. So once again, thank you guys for tuning in.
Definitely, and we will see you back here
in our next video.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. Talk to you later.